Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. By the title, y'all already know what kind of video this is. Y'all already know this is a video for the girls, baby. This is a video for the girls, okay? The bougie on a budget girls, y'all already know. So if y'all want to see the bag that I got for y'all, stay tuned. So this seller reached out to me, and this is not a seller from BHgate. This is actually like a private seller. They have like their own separate website, and I'll have their name on the screen because I really don't know how to pronounce it like that for real, and I don't want to mess it up. So let's just get into the bag that I got. Got a little Fendi going on, girl. We got a little Fendi. The bag that I will be reviewing for you guys is the Fendi Mon Tresor. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It's the Fendi Mon Tresor, and it's the grande size. I know a lot of y'all probably see like the mini one. The mini one was just not gonna cut it for me. When I tell y'all I'm so excited about this bag, so when this company reached out to me, of course they gave me their website and they asked me to go on there and pick a bag. I am a bucket bag girl. I love a bucket bag. Like my Louis Vuitton Neo, baby, I wears it out. I wears it out because that's my favorite bag. Like I love a bucket bag. This website has 3 different colors. They have the color that I chose. They have a brown and like a camel color. The brown has like a red trimming, and that's the one you will see when you Google Mon Tresor Grande. If you Google that, you will see the bag that I'm talking about. But so I'm not sure if they have other colors or not, or I just can't find it. I don't know, so don't quote me. I don't know. And then the only place I found that bag really for real was on Fashion File, and I think it was like $1,900, $2,000, up in that range. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and get into the bag. Let's just say I received her today, and I'm recording this video today because I am so excited. I cannot wait to wear this bag. I know I told y'all about this one I couldn't wait to wear, but this one, it's over with. So this is how your package will come if you decide to get the box. They do have an option on their website where you can choose not to get the box, will make your purse $20 cheaper. So this bag on the website is $278, and if you choose not to get the bag, it will be $258. I believe it's free shipping. They gave me my tracking number March 12th, and I received it today, which is March 23rd. So like a week and a half, which was pretty good. I don't know what was going on with FedEx. It was supposed to be here Tuesday, which was what, the 21st, and then it just kept on like changing the date. I don't know, but it's here. I got her, and I'm excited, and I can't wait to open it. So yes, it'll come like this. It came like in another box. Like it was so secure. Like this box is like it's super good. It got like a little scruffing like right here, but girl, who cares? So, and y'all see it come with like the little handles on here or whatever. So we're just gonna go ahead and open her up. When you open her up, you're gonna just like lift it up, and then it's gonna come up like this. And she comes inside of a dust bag. You get like a little envelope with like some cards in it, just the cards that comes with it. Nothing special, y'all know it be coming with these little cards. And the bag will come in this Fendi dust bag. This is a really good quality dust bag, I must say, because a lot of dust bags I get is like super thin. Yeah, and it got like this lining in the inside of it. Super nice. They like really took their time and made sure your bag will come in great shape. So if I was y'all, I would go ahead and get the box with my purchase, just so you don't have like no issues with your bag or anything like that. So this is what the bag will come in like plastic or whatever. And I'm just gonna open it up, and then it's also wrapped in like this foam stuff. Can we keep a moment of silence? Hold on. I ain't ready to show her with the world. This is her. This is she. This is me. Y'all, look at her. Look at this freaking bag, y'all. Look at this bag. hold on, let me give y'all a little zoom action. Look at this bag. Look at this bag. What? Are you kidding me? Be for real. Be for real. $278? Are you serious? Child, please. So in the inside it comes stuffed or whatever. I'm gonna take all this stuffing out. I'll probably end up putting it back in here because I like for my bucket bags to keep its shape, okay? Then in the inside you just got your strap or whatever. On the bag itself, it comes with the drawstring on it, of course, and then on the sides it got like this little gold detailing right here, and it got like the F on it for Fendi, and it has it on both sides or whatever. So, and it got like this plastic on it, so I'm just going to go ahead and like take the plastic off. So in the inside of it, it's kind of like this like a microfiber dark brown color, and it has like a pocket in here with a little Fendi tag or whatever. Don't need that. It don't really have a smell. It got like some type of smell, but it's not like a bad smell. I don't know. But this is the inside of the bag. It's super deep. Like, it's really deep. It's deep. And just looking at this bag, it's not a stitch out of place. It's literally not a stitch out of place. Yeah, not a stitch out of place. Next, I'm going to show y'all the strap that comes with it. It's the strap or whatever. Mind you, the bag is made out of real leather. This strap, I have never had a strap with this great of a quality. Like, when I tell y'all this is some good quality, like, what? Let me show y'all. Y'all, this is some good quality. Like, super good, baby. This one of them I'm gonna beat your ass belts straps. It says Fendi on there, and then like on the buckle right here it says Fendi. Right here on the buckle it says Fendi. It says Fendi right there. I went ahead and put the strap on the bag, y'all. I am absolutely in love with this freaking bag. It's such a dress up, dress down type of bag. Like I said with the last bag, like this bag definitely brunch, date night, all vibes. This is the all vibes occasion bag, like literally. So yes, it's not much I can say more about this bag, but it's just a great bag. I love it. The quality is great. I know I keep saying all this, but it really is. It's a very good great quality bag. And I'm about to transfer everything into this bag because I'm ready to use her. I want to get like a bag insert so I don't like mess it up or whatever, because this is too good of a quality to mess up the inside. I will have all of the information down below where you can get this bag, and I'll have the link to it and everything, to my Beacons, plus the direct link exactly to this bag and their website. And if I have a coupon code, I'll make sure I put it down below as well. That's it for today's video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, make sure y'all pay attention to the community tab. I got something special going on, and you don't want to miss it. I'm just saying. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all later. Bye.